Introduce highlight features and quick overview of gas pressure washer, 3200 PSI at 2.4 GPM, 5 kinds of nozzles, 6.5 HP, soap tank, easy move and store. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 3200 PSI and 2.4 GPM deeply cleaning ability with 6.5 HP up to 7680 cleaning units helps you to do the job quicker. 5 interchangeable nozzles, make house, wood, cars, boats, patios, siding clean possible with only this gas-powered pressure washer. CARB compliant pressure washers are cleaner and safer, also produce fewer emissions during operation, lower the risk of respiratory illnesses. As a high-pressure washer with 173 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine ensure enough power supply, easy to achieve and satisfy your family house needs. The package includes gas pressure washer, portable metal cleaner, 5 interchangeable nozzles, 11-inch wheels, 25 feet M22 pressure hose. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.